bebefinn. 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 A healthy meal. Ew! I don't like veggies!
Children, do you know the story of the short giraffe?
I'm a giraffe, a small giraffe. I wonder why I'm so small. Reaching tall trees, that is my goal. How can I grow taller?
Do you want to grow tall like me? You should have some broccoli.
Broccoli? I definitely would like to try some.
Let's make a healthy meal. Chop, chop, chop the broccoli. Eating broccoli makes you taller.
Huh?
Let's have a healthy meal. A healthy meal. A healthy meal. A healthy meal! Look at me! I grew taller!
I'm an elephant, a weak elephant. I wonder why I'm so weak. Lifting heavy things, that is my goal. How can I get stronger?
Why don't you try some carrots to get stronger?
Carrots? Brody, could you get some carrots for me?
Let's make a healthy meal. Chop, chop, chop the carrots. Eating carrots makes you stronger.
Wow!
Let's have a healthy meal. A healthy meal. A healthy meal. A healthy meal! Now I can lift up anything!
I'm a monkey, a forgetful monkey. I wonder why I'm so forgetful. Remembering everything, that is my goal. How can I be smarter?
If you eat cucumbers, you can be smarter.
Cucumbers? Can someone get me some cucumbers, please?
Let's make a healthy meal. Chop, chop, chop the cucumbers. Eating cucumbers makes you smarter.
Oh, I just remembered where my toy is.
Let's have a healthy meal. A healthy meal. A healthy meal. A healthy meal. Yeah, now I won't forget anything. A healthy meal. A healthy meal. A healthy meal. Hit the subscribe button.